Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This one I'm pretty excited for. I'm doing some cross lines with some jewels. Jewels we're going to be adding are going to be flowers, so stay tuned if you want to see the outcome of this look. I am going in with a matte top coat because I really wanted the base of this look to be matte. So going with the matte top coat first also allows your surface to be extremely smooth, and that way you don't have to worry about your lines kind of being like rigid or not as straight. Gel polish has a tend to spread through the fine lines on the acrylic, so applying a matte top coat or any top coat, whatever you're going to do, matte or glossy, really does help. So I'm going in with the pink, and I'm doing two cross lines first. I do dry the first two lines before I go in at the other two. I feel like working in steps when it comes to layering gel polish is just way easier, and it's a safer route because if you mess up or if you hit it, it's already dry. So here I am just going over those lines as much as I want, making sure they're pigmented, making sure that they're nice and even. And then I'm going in with these little pink flowers that I got. Now the annoying thing about these flowers are the little gold balls don't come in it already. So you do have to apply those separately, which can be annoying because they're super, super tiny. So those are the flowers I'm going to go with. I'm going to use two big ones in the middle. And then I'm going in with this Modelone's crystal glue. This glue is a squeeze out versus picking it up in a pot. It's very convenient. So yeah, if you don't have a squeeze out glue, definitely get you one. Amazon has a bunch of them, so go ahead and pick. Sorry for the background noise. So yeah, now I'm going to go in with the sides. I'm going to add more glue to the little points. I think we used 6 little baby flowers and then 2 big ones. And I'm going to show you guys a little hack that I kind of came up with to get those gold balls in the middle. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so instead of trying to squeeze that little tube in to fit those little tiny spaces, use a line art brush and just grab some glue or some crystal glue from the tube and just put it in those little in the center of the little flowers. And actually, to apply the gold balls, I just use my finger because they stick to my finger pretty easily, and I didn't have anything that was small enough to pick up these little tiny balls. They're really, really small, like you can barely even see them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did, and I really like this look. I love anything pink, and the fact that I was able to add flowers just, was a cherry on top. So let me know what you guys think. I have way more content coming, so stay tuned if you want to see some really quick, trendy nail art tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next videos.